Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. My name is Kayle. If you are new here, I do a lot of cleaning and decorating videos. Today I filmed myself cleaning for about an hour. Obviously this is sped up, but I wanted to see what all I could get done within that time frame. And today's video we have a sponsor by Bob and Brad, and I'll talk a little bit more about that in just a little bit. But please enjoy today's video. If you have any questions, always leave them down below and I will get back to you. Also, I have some new furniture coming in and it's a big difference and I'm so excited and I love it. So living room makeover is coming very, very, very soon.
You said that you needed me like a cargo, you will carry me. I just hope you know my depth, even though it makes no sense. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts, one who's breaking. I said that I needed you, like a late night with someone that I knew. I just hope you won't get hurt. I just hope you've been through worse. Sometimes I'm broken, too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the lightning, don't wanna pick a fight with. Everything seems so good, I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts.
Before we get too far into today's video, thank you so much for Bob and Brad for sponsoring today's video. This is the Bob and Brad Zero Pro. It's a ultra quiet eye massager, the most advanced eye mask I've definitely tried so far. It's designed by physical therapists Bob and Brad, so it's not just a gadget, it's actually therapy that you can wear. This little device packs serious power. First off, it's ultra quiet, so you can actually use it before bed without it bothering your sleep. It weighs just 0.6 pounds, so it's super feather light, and there's zero pressure on your eyes or nose. It blends air compression, heat therapy, and the cooling gel mask you can actually remove and chill it in the freezer, giving you options depending on how your eyes feel that day. So what I love that the control is so intuitive. It uses a scroll style one button interface, so there's no fumbling with complicated menus. Plus you can get 2 levels of heat, multiple intensities of compression. It also has a built-in or a Bluetooth music option, so you can sync your own relaxing tunes. It's foldable, portable, and it comes with a hard travel case, which I love. So from my personal experience, when I wear it, whether I use the heat or cooling, I can feel the tension around my eyes soften, my temples, and the area around my nose, even the dryness from staring at screens like editing and whatnot. So about like 10 to 15 minutes before I go to sleep, I feel a lot more calm, more clear, and I'm ready just to fall asleep. Or if I use it during the day, it's really nice to kind of just have a break.
Bob and Brad eye massager on air pressure plus heat plus music. Air pressure plus heat. Air pressure only. Heat only. Heat plus music. Air pressure plus heat plus music. Air pressure plus.
Sit down 10-15 minutes. It does have a 15-minute timer, but if you're dealing with like eye strain, migraines, dry eyes, or just stress, this device is definitely built for you. So if you've been searching for something that will actually help with all of these issues, click the link down below in my description box. I'm going to leave it at the very top. Thank you again, Bob and Brad, for sponsoring today's video.
Too much of emotions. Sometimes I'm the light. Don't wanna pick a fight with it. Everything seems so good. I guess I can't help myself. Would you call me if I'm in the dark? I'm calling up 'cause I'm right under the stars. Would you run on me leaving this mark? But baby, I'm the one who's breaking hearts. One who's breaking hearts. I've been all around the world, every city, every place. Always been a restless girl, but now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. You were only like a friend, till we met the other day. Didn't want the night to end, and now there's a wind of change. I've never ever felt this way. You're stuck inside my mind, deep inside my mind. I think that now's the time. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm counting hours, minutes, seconds, faster, hurry, make it happen. Before we know it, I'll be on my way home. Yeah, we're chilling, I just, you and I, every crazy summer night. Baby, I am coming home. I'm coming home. Longing for you, pick up the phone, catching a flight, I'm coming home, back to the place I've always known. Home, home, seeing you soon, I gotta run. We're gonna have a lot of fun and spending this summer alone. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there? When it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. This was a really fast clean with me. I like filming these just because, one, I'm mostly on a time crunch, and a lot of us are a lot of the time. So it's nice to kind of do it together. Thank you again, Bob and Brad, for sponsoring today's video. As always, I will leave all of their information down below, and I will see you on Wednesday with another video. I'm trying Sundays and Wednesdays, so I want to get on a good schedule and start uploading at the same time. Right now, I'm trying to figure out which time is best to upload, but at least you can expect Sundays and Wednesdays. So let's get that going, stay consistent. I have a lot of videos filmed, so I'm excited to have you guys know when I'm actually uploading. Thank you for watching today's video again. I appreciate you. I love you guys. See you on Wednesday.
Cause I'm happy, I'm